Today's recipe is upma. For upma, we need 1 cup of roasted suji, also known as rava or semolina. Here I found a packet where the rava was already roasted. Here I've got 100 grams of finely chopped onions, which is around 1 small onion. Here I've got 6 cherry tomatoes. I finely chopped them, and these are around say 30 grams of tomatoes. 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Here I have 1/3 cups of peanuts. These are not roasted. I will be frying it in the ghee while making this upma. I'm using ghee for this recipe, as well as some cilantro for garnishing. I'll also use it while cooking the upma. And here I've got some lemon juice. I don't have fresh lemon currently, so I will be using bottled juice. So let's start making this recipe. To a warm wok or pan, add ghee. Here I'm using around 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use any cooking oil of your choice. Now I'll be adding some mustard seeds. I'll wait for these seeds to crackle before adding my other ingredients. The mustard seeds have begun to crackle. Now I'll add in my chopped onions. And we will fry this onion till it turns a little translucent or transparent. Now at this point of time, if you feel the ghee or the oil is less in your recipe, you can most certainly add more. Onions look translucent. Now I'll add in my green chili paste and garlic paste plus ginger paste. Give it a good stir. I'll add in my peanuts as well. Now if you want, you can add more peanuts. If you want, you can skip peanuts in this dish and replace it with carrots or any vegetable of your choice, like peas. They should be boiled actually. Peas should be boiled beforehand. So I'm going to saute this till the peanuts turn a little slightly golden brown. The peanuts have slightly turned brown. Now at this point I'll add in my curry leaves. Give it a good stir. As well as my tomatoes. Now I'll cook these tomatoes till the ghee appears over the surface and these tomatoes are actually cooked. Tomatoes look cooked. You can see the ghee is over the surface. Now I'll just add in half of my cilantro leaves. Give it a good stir. Add in 2 cups of hot water. So for every cup of suji, rava or semolina, you need to double the quantity of water. So if it's 1 cup of semolina, you add 2 cups of hot water. If it's 2 cups of semolina or rava, you add 4 cups of hot water. At this point of time, you can add salt as per taste. Add salt as per taste. To check if salt is good for this recipe, please taste this water, which I will be doing, and if the water is mildly salty, that means this salt is perfect for the recipe. So I'm going to taste some water. The salt looks good. I will also be adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. Now if you don't want to add lemon juice, you can skip it. I'm just waiting for this water to come to a complete boil. I'll add the remaining of my cilantro now. Give it a good stir. The water has come to a rolling boil. I have kept my flame on medium throughout while cooking this recipe. So now I'll slowly add in my rava and start mixing it. Make sure the rava is well mixed with the water. Now if you don't have roasted rava like I do, you need to dry roast this rava in a pan for at least 3 to 4 minutes till the rava changes its color. But I was quite lucky, I found roasted rava, so this saves my time in roasting for the recipe. Just add all the rava slowly. Give it a good stir. Make sure the rava is fully mixed with the water. There's no raw rava left. Now you can see suji or rava soaks in the water very quickly. Now at this point of time, I will be lowering my flame to the lowest and I will be cooking this for a minimum of 5 minutes. And I'll check if it's done at that point. Otherwise, I'll cook it for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook. I'll just check if it's done. Give it a good stir. You can see the upma is ready, and this is actually danedar. You can see the upma cooked so well. It's not completely mashed, and it's absolutely looking delicious. Upma is ready to serve. I'll just plate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!